Hey y'all, man, I was just watching Brian Atkinson's video on Facebook yesterday where he passed a scooter on a solid yellow line and blew diesel smoke all over him. And I got inspired by you, Brian, and I'm out here today riding around on the golf cart, patrolling the family-friendly streets of Hartsville, and I came across somebody riding a scooter right in the middle of the damn road. And you know, Brian, we ain't going out like that, Bo. Look at this, Brian, right in the middle of the damn road. But Brian, I got something for him. I got something for him, Bo. Let's see how he eat this smoke, scooter rider.